Hello, I'm Jerry Ford, the beer review guy. Got this little drink here. This is Parrot Bay. I've heard of Parrot Bay, but this is coconut water flavored Piña Colada, made with Caribbean rum and natural flavors. It's 10% alcohol by volume. Bottled by Captain Morgan Rum Company, Norwalk, Connecticut. Refrigerate after opening. It almost sounds like you don't have to drink the whole thing. You just, you can do like a shot of it or something and then put it back in the refrigerator. So I'm trying to figure it out. I've had this for a long time. I got it at a liquor store. They got some liquor stores that have these, like, I don't know, like a fish bowl or a big bowl, and they got a lot of little bottles of different stuff sitting up there. And I bought this. I can't remember how much it was, but I've had it in my refrigerator for a long time. And I wanted to, check it out, see what it was like. So I might use this in a drink. Just try to, glass of ice and do some rim and salt. Because it's showing, you can make an actual drink out of these things, like a pina colada. So let's try it. I just want to kind of break it down, see what it's like. Wow, man, strong coconut, a little bit of rum, a little bit of light citrusness. Smells good. Let's try a little bit of this. Wow, that is good. Sweet. Almost has a creamy kind of mouthfeel to it. Getting the coconut, getting the rum. It's good. Yeah, it's good. I can see this being, we'll get a little warming. I can see this being good in just a drink over ice. Yeah, I like it. And I can see that some people would just rather just, take shots of this. So this being a little bit more of a bigger ABV, that might be what it's supposed to be for. If you're going to use this whole bottle in something, you might want to be prepared to drink on it all day, maybe. Unless you have a high tolerance for alcohol. But I don't know. I'm trying to decide if I want to make a whole drink out of this whole bottle or just use it over time, just shots of it. I just did a little bit there just to taste it, but it's Sunday. I got all day. Do stuff around the house. Maybe I will. Stay tuned. Watch for another video. I'm gonna use some rim and salt for it, and this is a Parrot Bay review. The next one will be a review for a different company, and you can watch for it, find out who it is. All right. Okay, well, I thank you all for watching. I appreciate it, and we will see you on the next one.